Good afternoon, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here, which is a 2016 Hyundai i10. This is a Deluxe model, so the Deluxe is the next step up in the range, which gives you some nice extras, so we'll have a look at that in a sec. We are Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. So there's Hyundai here, further down there's also Honda over there, and then there's also Maxall here, and then there's another branch just further up, which is all the way up the road there. I'm not sure if you can see it because I'm not tall enough maybe to get over the banner, but there is a Mercedes garage just up the road, and then there's other branches in Naas and Carlow and Tullamore, so family run business in operation for almost 70 years. And as you can see, Hyundai is Kildare's best-selling car up in the last 5 years actually. This car here is one of the reasons that it is the best-selling brand in the county, because these are serious value for money. This particular car is a one-owner car from brand new, so the previous owner had an old car that he traded in and bought this i10 brand new back in 2016. It's got a full dealer service history. Brian is my name actually, by the way, if there's any information you want, 086 843 1945. Do not hesitate to give me a shout if you want information on financing or trade-ins or anything like that. Anyway, this car here, so the first thing is, on the Deluxe model, you will see there is nice DRLs, daytime running lights, all the way down through there. There is a front fog light in through here, parking and headlight structure up through there. Condition on the car is quite nice. The only reason actually the previous owner changed was he was living in Dublin, working in Dublin. Now he's living in, let's say he's living down the country without being specific, but he's got a commute up to Dublin now. So he actually traded in and bought an i40 from us because he was going to be going up and down the road quite a bit. This car has covered about 22,500 kilometres, but condition I would say is very, very nice throughout. Unfortunately it's a bit rainy today, so it's hard to see in terms of stone chips, but I can't really see anything particularly unusual. Polar white is a very, very popular colour in this car. It looks really well. Down along the side you have these mouldings for protection, and they also look quite nice as well. A lot of people when they come in and look at it, they say I'm looking for the model with the little black section down the bottom, so that is what they mean. So it looks quite well. There is alloy wheels on the car. We will get this car in and just check it over, but the car is only recently serviced, so I would imagine everything is good, but we'll just check it for tyres and brakes and stuff like that before it goes anywhere. All the way down the side of the car, wing and the two doors and the quarter panel looks all very nice. This rear wheel looks to be in very, very nice condition. The rear bumper looks quite nice. The boot lid looks quite nice. The rear right hand side quarter panel, the rear right hand side door, the driver's door and the wing all look very nice. This wheel down here looks good, and this rear right hand side wheel looks good. So in terms of condition, if you come to look at this car, I think you'll be quite happy. People that buy these cars basically are looking for, I guess if you look at this is a 162 car, which means it has a warranty until the middle of 2021. So at the price point this car is at, you are buying a car which is going to have a warranty until 2021, and the other cool thing is it's also going to have roadside assist until 2021 as well. So very, very useful. Servicing intervals in those cars 15,000 kilometers, and generally a very reliable car. They run on a timing chain, not a belt. So yeah, very, very good. Okay, the boot in these cars, because we are in the super mini class, so it's not the biggest, but by no means is it unusable. So the boot is reasonable, and then underneath there is a spare wheel, and I would imagine the previous owner actually left that spare wheel, or sorry, that kit in it, because that is not a standard feature, so that's just a first aid kit. You may need it, but after that then, in terms of but if he does, we'll get another one, because it's a nice thing to have in the car. The rear of the car, so the legroom is reasonable. So again, I wouldn't sit this far back in a car like this. If I was driving, I'd normally be somewhere like that, which is fair. And then I am 6 foot, so my knees, when I'm sitting in an i10, I got room, yeah, pretty much. I got headroom, actually, weirdly, I've got more headroom than I do in some of the kind of middle class cars, like say Civic or i30 or anything like that. And the cool thing then is Deluxe gets height adjustment on the driver's seat, which the Classic doesn't, and obviously the back part of the seat is adjustable and the steering wheel is adjustable as well. Usual controls over here, electrics for windows and electrics for mirrors. After that then there is cruise control. So like, there's going to be a lot of features in this car which, you know, generally are associated with larger cars. Cruise control in through there with a speed limiter. And after that then over here you've got Bluetooth, sorry, controls for radio, and then down through here you've got Bluetooth. So if you turn on your radio over there, you can no. FM 104. FM 104.
Sorry, please say the command.
Okay, the door really needs to be open for this. It's going to kill that on a while. I'm going to restart that. FM 104.
FM 104.
Yeah, when you have the door or the window open, it interferes with it. So anyway, you see that's gone to 104, or I could have gone USB, or I could have gone call Jim Joe, or whoever I want to call. 12 volt outlet in through there, 5-hour gears, USB and auxiliary to play music and charge phones and all that kind of stuff. Air conditioning, so heating controls obviously with air conditioning, which is useful down through there as well. And then we have an airbag, we have airbag which is curtained all the way up along through there, and we even have airbags in the side of the seat over here. We have things like steel bars for side impact protection, and we also have anti-lock brakes and stuff like that as well. So for that class of car, for the price point you're paying, I challenge you, if you are considering this car and you're looking at different alternatives and stuff like that, I challenge you to find a better value for money car when it comes to safety, equipment level, price point, warranty, AA cover, all that kind of stuff. They are serious value for money, so they are. And you see the way things are going with insurance and stuff like that as well, where people have to buy newer cars. Something like that there, if you came in with a, I don't know, like a trade-in or a cash deposit, maybe valued at somewhere in the region of kind of 1,200 quid, I'm pretty sure that we would probably get you out in the early 200s per month. It's serious value for money. It really is. Anyway, please do come try the car. If you're looking for a car that is easy to run, and a car that is well equipped, and a car that is safe, and a car that's got a good price point, and a car that's reliable, and actually kind of a chic looking car, this is definitely something worth considering. If you have a trade-in, no problem at all. If you want finance, no problem at all. So Brian is my name, 086 843 1945. Please do give me a shout. If you come to the garage, please ask for Brian. And we're about 30 minutes out to Dublin. We're about 3 minutes from the Kildare Village shopping outlet. Hopefully this car is of interest to you. Thank you for taking time to watch.